I love to grow squash of all kinds, and the squash bug loves me for it. I've learned that a few drops of Dawn dishwashing liquid in a bottle of water can be sprayed onto said bugs with death imminent to the bug, but also the plants. My dog Riley, a 13-pound Australian Silky Terrier, who enjoys zucchini as much as I, would appreciate any information that would assist in the control of this menacing little pest. Many thanks, Shane and Riley.
Right.
I like
that.
I like it.
That's good.
All right, so can we help Shane and Riley out,
Yes, we can.
Okay, all
right. She needs to scout and find them when they start getting early. In fact, sometimes when I see mine, they come as little rows of eggs on the leaves. When I see those eggs on the leaves, I actually will make a hole in the leaf and just take the leaves, the eggs off of the leaf and squish them and take them away. I try to keep up with that, and that has helped a lot. But if she sees them when they start to be young, I mean, I use pyrethrin, which is an organic insecticide, and I spray it in early morning or late in the evening when there's no pollinators out. So you can do that, and there's other things you can do.
There's a couple other things. Squash bugs are tough. So scout, look for the eggs. They look like little bronze footballs. They're in a neat little row. So yeah, if you see those, like you said, get rid of them. Or how about this? The master gardeners here have taught me this. Double-sided tape. The eggs are there on the leaf. Put them off the double-sided tape. Isn't that cool?
That's a good idea.
Just take them off and just squish them. Right? So you can do that. Something else is crop rotation. Okay?
Definitely.
You don't want to put the squash in the same place year after year after year. So yeah, definitely practice crop rotation. How about resistant varieties? Look for those.
There are some.
There's some available.
But they still, our squash bugs are just notorious.
They are tough.
With squash.
Insecticidal soap, but you have to target the nymph stage with insecticidal soap. Okay? The nymph stage. Because if not, then pyrethroids. Carbaryl is something else you can use. You have to read and follow the label. Of course, you don't want to spray that when the bees are out foraging. All right. So cultural practices first. All right. Scout, crop rotation, resistant varieties. Insecticidal soap, know the life cycle, target the nymph stage, pyrethroids, carbaryl. And I think Riley would be just fine.
I think so. You'll get something to eat.
Be able to enjoy the zucchini. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.